Canon's R6 Mark III has been one of the most talked about Canon cameras in 2025 because it promises to push the company's hybrid line forward while keeping the R6 family's approachable price and usability. Unlike the Canon EOS C50, which Canon officially positioned as a compact cinema camera focused on internal RAW and open-gate capture, the R6 Mark III is aimed at shooters who need a single body that handles fast stills and serious video without forcing them into a full cinema rig. The R6 Mark III is still officially rumored in many places, but the leaks converge on a clear theme: faster sensor readout, stronger video specs than prior R6 models, improved in-body stabilization, and a modern processing stack that borrows from Canon's higher-end bodies. These expectations place the R6 Mark III between the C50 cinema tool and Canon's Pro R-series flagships, targeting creators who want pro video options in a compact hybrid package. At the heart of the R6 Mark III rumors is a 24-megapixel stacked full-frame sensor. Stacked sensors read data much faster than traditional designs, which reduces rolling shutter and enables higher continuous frame rates and heavier video processing without overheating or huge power draw. Reports suggest Canon may use a sensor architecture similar to the R3's readout technology, but tuned to the R6 class for a balance of resolution and speed. This places the R6 Mark III in a different technical corner than the C50's 32-megapixel full-frame sensor, which is optimized to deliver ultra-high resolution for open-gate 7K recording. Where the C50 uses its larger native pixel count and open-gate readout to provide maximum capture area and post-production freedom, the R6 Mark III seems designed for lower rolling shutter and faster burst/still performance while still lifting video capability substantially above the R6 Mark II. Video capability is a major way the two cameras diverge. Canon's C50 is an explicitly cinema-first body. It offers full-frame 3:2 open-gate recording and internal cinema RAW, light up to 7K 60p, with various listings reporting 7K 60p or 7K 30p depending on mode. Oversampled 4K up to 120p, and slow motion options in smaller crop modes. That open-gate 7K workflow gives filmmakers extra image area for reframing, stabilizing, or creating filmic aspect ratios without sacrificing detail. In contrast, the R6 Mark III's rumors point toward high-end hybrid video specs such as 6K oversampled capture to 4K and 4K at 120p, plus internal high-quality 10-bit recording and support for Canon log profiles. The R6 Mark III is therefore expected to bring far stronger video performance to a hybrid body. But it is not built around open-gate 7K RAW workflows the way the C50 is. The C50 is squarely aimed at shooters who prioritize the largest possible RAW image for cinematic framing and grading. Autofocus and stabilization are practical areas where the cameras reflect their different audiences. The C50 uses Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which is known for smooth, dependable subject detection and tracking in video. Canon deliberately omitted IBIS from the C50 to keep the body small and to assume that most cinema users will rely on gimbals, lenses with optical stabilization, or external rigs. Conversely, the R6 Mark III rumors include a major IBIS improvement. Figures such as an 8-stop stabilization claim have circulated, combined with advanced subject detection likely inherited from Canon's R5 Mark II and R3 line. For a solo run-and-gun shooter or a photographer who often shoots handheld video, IBIS can be decisive. For a multi-operator cinema set that values modularity and external stabilization, Canon's design choice for the C50 makes sense. In short, the R6 Mark III appears to favor hybrid, handheld use, while the C50 favors traditional cinema workflows. Workflow, codecs, and post-production also separate how these cameras are used day to day. The C50's Cinema Raw Light internal recording and Canon log options give colorists a broad latitude to push exposure and color grading, and open-gate capture yields huge framing flexibility. The C50 also includes cinema-oriented features such as waveform monitoring, LUT support, and a top handle with XLR inputs for pro audio, making it easy to slot into a film-grade workflow without heavy modification. The R6 Mark III, while expected to support cinema-grade codecs and possibly external RAW or ProRes RAW workflows, is more focused on convenience. High-quality internal codecs for quick turnaround, oversampled video modes for cleaner 4K, and features photographers depend on during fast shoots. If your work relies on extensive grading and large format framing, the C50's native internal RAW and open gate will be a stronger base. If you need speed, portability, and mixed delivery formats, the R6 Mark III looks to be the more versatile day-to-day tool. Build and ergonomics echo the technical split. Canon built the C50 as a small cinema body with a dedicated top handle that includes XLR audio and multiple mounting points, and it intentionally omits an EVF and IBIS to stay compact and easy to cage. That gives filmmakers a purpose-built platform that integrates directly with audio and monitoring gear. The rumored R6 Mark III keeps the hybrid camera form, full EVF, vari-angle touchscreen, and a body that remains comfortable for portraits, weddings, and documentary work as well as video. The R6 Mark III is therefore likely to feel more like a traditional mirrorless camera that can be used handheld or on a gimbal without extra modules, while the C50 feels like a small core cinema system built to be expanded. Finally, price and position matter. The C50 is Canon's answer for filmmakers who want cinema features without moving to large Venice-style rigs. Its pricing and feature set aim to undercut or outfeature rivals in the compact cinema segment. The R6 Mark III, as a rumored successor to the popular R6 line, will likely be priced to attract hybrid shooters upgrading from R6 Mark II or switching from competitors. Essentially a camera for creators who need pro video tools but still want a camera that excels at stills. Which camera to choose depends on your work. If your projects require maximum raw latitude, open gate framing, and a cinema-first accessory stack, the C50 is the logical choice. If you need a faster, stabilized hybrid body that handles everything from sports photos to client videos and still produces cinema-worthy footage, the R6 Mark III looks set to be the more flexible, everyday tool.